All right, this is my review of the Hoover WindTunnel Whole House Rewind Corded Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. First of all, this thing's a beast. You have a couple attachments, right, that make it cooler to get like other areas like couches. You've got the wand attachment there. You've got the handheld attachment here. Dude, straight up, this is the best vacuum we've ever had. It's easy release here. First of all, bagless, right? I hate bags. Easy release here, on and off. That just goes in like that. You even have a Hepa filtration filter. So it's good if you have like allergies and stuff like that. It cleans the air while it cleans your carpet. It's got an easy release for the brush roll. So you can just click there to engage the brush and click there to release it. Let's see, what's the other stuff I like about it? Dude, this is cool. It's got the cord thing. All you do is just you push that down with your foot and it pulls the cord out. Like, dude, straight up, you're gonna love this thing. We love it. You got to get it.